look at this question here. The question asks you to find x. Let's read it. The diagram shows a regular hexagon and a regular octagon. Calculate the, just find x. That's what the question says. Now, the first thing is, let's start with this nice hexagon. It has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will need to find each interior angle. We'll find this one here. So it's 6 minus 2 times 180. So it's 4 times 180, which is 720. 720 is the sum. So if you do 720 divided by the number of angles, which is 6, it gives you 120. This is very good. That means this nice angle here is 120. So let's just write it here. Now we will do the same thing for the octagon on this side. Octagon means 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll do the same thing. So it's 8 minus 2 times 180. It's going to be 6 times 180. That gives you 1080. Now what's this 1080? This is the sum of the angles. To find one angle, divide this by the number of angles, which is 8. So 180 divided by 8 gives you 135. So this nice angle here is 135. We almost finished. Now to find x, have you noticed? These 3 angles meet about this point. So they add up to 360. So now to find x, I'll just do 360 minus, add these two. 120 plus 135 is 255. So 360 minus 255 gives you 105. And that's it. It's a very nice question, isn't it? That's it. That's x.